Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Today I'm checking out this ladder. This is a step ladder with railings, so we're just gonna open this up here real quick. Okay, so just a close-up on the screws. This one goes through here, and then you just tighten it here. This is where the top portion goes in right there. And then the other screw right here on the lower handle, just like that. And then upper handle also screw through the side and nut on the end. And then here's the other one right here. And then for these, I just put these in there right there. And then underneath, they have a little bolt there, like that. Okay, so let's go try it out. Okay friends, so here we are in the garage. I could just simply fold this up. So if I want it, just put it out of the way and then fold it down, just push this top part here. But this is a lot more sturdy than what we usually use. So I feel a lot more comfortable with my wife using this to climb up. So you got these handles right here, nice and stable. And then the big steps as well. So if we're reaching stuff off the top, here it's going to be a lot more stable and sturdy. So also has this top portion, don't sit on it, but you can put your screwdrivers, your drill, everything in here, hammer, saw. Super handy, this tray here as well. It has a little circle here for like paint cans and things like that. It's going to keep it steady. So really a sturdy ladder. I feel confident that this is going to it says it holds up to 350 pounds, I think. But yeah, so sometimes we need stuff off the upper shelves. And this one is a nice height. And I feel like this is I trust this one. Like normally I try to get stuff off the shelves so my wife doesn't have to, but sometimes she does stuff herself. But I would prefer her to use this ladder instead of like a little other one that I have. That being like these large steps and everything is a lot more convenient and a lot more steady. And I like this hand railing on here as well. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.